ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Dangshen ka jingwan play pai ba jong menteri katanat kampo yeng gari u Amit Shah ya ka interstate bus terminus ka badan hamaulai Mawïongrim Shillong kalabu jingkli ya ki babon ki pai ba nong shnong jong jilla Meghalaya wat laya ka ni ka project om palla satiaban shna pendep kat kumbalak mi lenti Haga jing ekran bat kilat pathai khubor u menteri u bapek ya katanat ka ket ka ba bat kara karong jong ka sarkar jilla u ba dasakhiat bhala mare ulaya thu ba ka jing shna ya kani ka jaka yeng bos ban kit ya ki nongle jingle shabar ka jilla kala jandep artat bat katanat kalabu thongru ban shna pendep pura la kumnu hapo u banai Nohprah jong news nem arhajar arphuwe
First of all, first thing, Isbt has already been handed over by the contractor. It's with the department right now. But there are still some paperwork which is needed to be completed with the implementing agency, that is PWD roads. Okay. So after that, there will be tenders which will be floated in regards of the canteen, in regards of the stalls, in regards of the accommodation facility there. So after all that, I think it'll take another month or two max. We are expecting by the month of December, most probably we'll be able to operate it. Yeah. So we'll be holding meetings with that, and then we'll be following it up. I know a lot of time has gone by, but then I know because of some constraints and undeniable circumstances, we are not able to do it on time. But yeah, I can assure you, maybe most probably by December we will able to start it, operate it. Yeah. There's no such system that has been put up for that. As per now, the government will run everything. Okay, tender floating, even running these stalls and all. It will be run by private organizations, private firms, or individually by the locals of the East Khasi Hills. But till date, we don't have any, we don't have any decision that will be run, especially when it comes to flying of buses and all. Yeah, so it will be run by the government itself. This is what is the plan for now. But what we are going to do tomorrow or the after that, I think I will tell you then when something happens, if at all something happens. Yeah, 98%. I think 98%. There are still very minor work that is left. Like there are some electrification, which is a very small, very minor work has been done, and it's a kitchen. I think the kitchen of these two canteens, two canteens if I'm not mistaken. The kitchen of these two canteens is left to be completed here, that is another 2 weeks. I think in 2 weeks time it'll be done. Yeah, it'll be done. Yes.
Will you be going there for inspection?
I will, but not soon. I think because I've just joined. It's just been 2 days, so I have a lot to review first. Because transport department is a very vast department, a very hectic department, I must say. So I will have to review it first. It will take me, I think, 3 to 4 days, maybe a week's time to review all the work that is looked after by transport department. And after that, maybe we'll start going for inspections. Not only Isbt, but other operational things of transport department. Yeah. Priorities will be there, but I don't think only in a nutshell I would say priorities is to focus on bringing as much revenue as we can, because transport department is one department which has a lot of scope for the revenue of the government. So I think priority will be improving all of this. I'm not saying that it was not going well. Obviously, definitely transport department has been performing really well. We could see it from the answers of the Honourable Minister during the assembly session as well. He gave a very brief report on the revenue that transport department was able to generate even because of this pandemic, even during the pandemic and all. So my focus will be towards that only, obviously. But to specifically specify this one and that one, I think it's not appropriate for me, because it's just been 2 days. And I don't know, I'm not still able to figure out, where is this not good, where is that good. All that, I hope you understand, yeah. But the focus will be on that only, for the betterment of the department.